DJM TV.
President Buhari don yarn why security people no dey fit pursue and catch bandits. Our better country people, how una dey? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, and una good day sake of the time. Una take dey look us now on top our ogbonge day-to-day tori update for inside we correct TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na be Stanley Okocha. Na me wan yarn una this ogbonge tori when don shele for inside our Bodo Naija. The tori when dey shele now go concern bandits and kpake when come dey shele every day for inside Naija. Sake of say the president of Naija, President Muhammadu Buhari, don come out come yarn say the reason security people no dey fit catch bandits and kpake people for inside Naija na because of the fear say many Naija people when no get hand for inside the bandit matter, and even the people when e be say the bandit don kpake fit come kpai on top the matter. For some time now, some Naija people don yarn their bitter mind sake of dem believe say President Buhari dey get sorry heart for the bandit and the thief nama people when e be say dem dey do serious gbege for inside Obodo Naija. For one informate tori when the special adviser to the president for tori people matter when him name be Malam Garba Shehu, when he yarn to the tori people, yarn say President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn say Naija get everything when e be say dem fit use to take gbege the bandit for all the village when e be say dem dey. But the thing when e come dey draw back small come be the fear say plenty people wey no get hand for inside bandit matter fit come join the bandit come dey kpai. In yarn join say sake of the check when they don do, the bandits dey use the villagers and people when e be say dem kpake to take dey do human block for road, so that in case when security people come to attack them, they go fit use them take do blocking to make sure say the security people no fit kpai them as they supposed to do. President Muhammadu Buhari come see yarn in mind sake of the over 300 girls school children when bandits just kpake comot for inside their school when the government girls secondary school Jangebe when dey inside Zamfara state. The president come yarn say the way the bandits take do am show say dem no get sorry heart as human being at all, and im government no go take am at all sake of say no group to get power and to dey gidigba for ground pass government when e be say government no go fit wipe dem comot for the country. Still for inside the kpake matter when concern 300 girls when e be say dem don kpake comot for inside their school, the director general of the World Trade Organization when her name be Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala don yarn her mind put for the matter. According to her, the matter dey shocking and dey cause pain for inside heart sake of say bandits don kpake girl children when e be say dem send make dem go learn book for inside Zamfara state, even as e be say when e shele for inside Niger state when e concern boys and some family members when be say bandits still go kpake for inside their school when be government science college for inside Kangara, they never fit still release those ones, then these ones come still join again. She come pray to God, make God quickly give the leaders for Naija the mind and the sense to see say they go fit rescue all the children comot from bandit hand and constantly put correct protectment for both schools and even the environment when e be say every children for Naija for dey go dey learn book. As the matter dey go, one Islamic bookman when him name be Sheikh Ahmad Gumi don yarn say the bandits when he meet no be dem kpake the 300 girls when e just shele for inside Zamfara state. According to Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, he yarn say the bandits when he meet inside last week no get hand for the latest kpake when e concern the 300 girl students when bandits just comot from inside Zamfara. For one short telephone talk when our tori man do with Sheikh Gumi, he yarn say the group wey kpake the girls na the one wey be say dem divide comot from the group of bandits when e dey inside Zamfara state. He come yarn join say no be the group when him just meet na him do this kpake of the girls. When our tori man come still ask am whether him go still go Zamfara state go do talk on behalf of the girl children, papa and mama, and even government, Sheikh Gumi come yarn say maybe be. As the matter still dey go, the United Nations International Children Education Fund wey be UNICEF don join yarn their bitter mind for the matter. Na the UNICEF stand man for inside Naija wey be Peter Hawkins na him yarn this one come out for one tori informate when e be say the organization release. Him yarn say we dey bitter mind as bandit don go kpake school children for inside Naija again. Country people, una go remember say our station wey be DJM TV first yarn una say bandits don go kpake over 300 girls when e be say dem send go learn book and they come dey learn the book for inside their school when be government girls secondary school when dey for inside Janebe for inside Zamfara state. And this one no sweet country people mind at all, as many of them don dey talk say make the government do something fast to take see say they go see how they go take stop all this kind thing when e be say e just dey happen every day. Wey come be say before any small thing, bandits and even kidnappers, the first thing wey they go think of na school when be say they go kpake children when e be say papa and mama send go school. Country people, the informate when just dey knack us now for inside our TV studio yarn say na that of jollimentation sake of say the Niger state government don begin dey jollificate, and even all the people when e dey for inside Niger state they don dey jollificate sake of say the 27 students and even the family members and their teachers when e be say bandits be kpake comot for inside their school when be government science college when dey for Kagara, they don get freedom. As the information dey reach us now, na sweet jollimentation as all the papas and mamas of those students now and even all their family members, all of them don dey dance at school, dey jump up, dey thank Baba God sake of say their children don get freedom from those kidnappers when e be say dem kidnap them and even come threa ten to make them hunger till they kpai. Country people, una remember say Niger state don dey for news for some days now when e be say sake of say bandits don go kpake those children comot from inside their school when e be say the government science college for Kangara when e be say dem go there go learn. And now we say the government of Niger state go don dey jollificate pass because na dem na the load be dey their head, and now they go dey happy now say the load e don comot from their head, especially their governor wey be Alhaji Abubakar Bello when e be say e first see am come out say e no dey fit get sleep again for night sake of say na how to release the children na im just dey im mind and na im dey everybody wey dey in government mind. Now wey be say the children don get freedom from the bandits when e be say e kpake them before, I believe say now im mind go come rest, and now the whole world eye go come comot from Niger state now dey go Zamfara state when e be say na there na kpake just happen now when go concern those over 300 girls when e be say they don kpake by bandit kpake comot from their school when be government girls secondary school wey dey for Janebe for Zamfara state. Country people, from Niger state na there our tori for break leg today. So we wan beg una say make una like this news story and make una comment for our comment box concerning how una see this story when we don shele and break for una this time. We wan still beg una make una subscribe to our YouTube channel and make una continue dey follow us for all our social media handles when be say all of them na DJM TV. Until next time when we go see come una way again to come give una tori wey go don shele for that time, we wan thank una, and my name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.